It's Lois with Lois Keepsakes and Creation. Welcome everybody. I'm glad to have you here. I have a little project I need to do because it's journal time. I'm getting out of the gate a little late and I apologize. But I'm going to do a video and walk you guys through how to make this simple composition book into a beautiful journal that you can journal in. This one was mine from last year and I filled it all up. I did, do a lot of journaling in it and I love it. That's kind of like a baby blanket right there, and just feels nice on my hands, when you fill in it. But anyway, yeah, so I had this, and like I said, I did journal in it over the whole entire year. Won't get into all of that, but yeah, so I built little pockets in there, and each month got a tab. So that one was January, and then I did some other stuff over here. So this one was all journal. This is February, all journaled. This is March, and then this one's April, and then this one right here was June. Yep, so that was June, and then so forth. So you guys get the gist of it. I winded up putting all the tabs on for the whole entire month. I know it kind of looks like, oh my gosh, they get tangled up with each other, but they don't. They relatively don't. So if you can see that little tag, yep, March. So, but yeah, so all of them got tags. So I might do something similar to this because I really do like this, that I can pop back into the months real quick. And yeah, so I really do like that. And for purpose-wise, they held up pretty good. They did. I mean, you could see some of them are bent and things like that, but I mean, they held up pretty good. And let me tell you, this journal went with me everywhere, even to doctor's offices, to trips or things of that sort. But I always kept it in my purse. So I've had this with me, and it just kind of it did get worn on the straps, so I am going to think of something else different, because that's what the inside strap looks like. See where it cracked and everything else like that? And I didn't mind it because it just kind of goes with the shabbiness of it. So, but yeah, it got its work out throughout the whole year, being shoved around, placed here, placed there, so I pretty much didn't go anywhere without this thing. So, but I wanted to see if we could do our own journal for this year, and we'll do it out of just a simple composition book. Okay, we're not going to tear out any of the pages. We're going to leave the pages just like they are. I think I want to do mine with fabric again up underneath it. So, because I really did like that idea. The fabric underneath it felt really nice. So, and definitely a different closure. We'll have to do something else on that. But yeah, so that was the top. I just winded up taking and blending in some color on the bottom of the papers. But yeah, it had its way. But you know what? This is my very first journal that I've ever wrote in and stayed consistent through the months. Now, I'll admit, there probably is one month that I didn't do any writing very much, but it was because we were just so busy and stuff like that, and I think it was August that I wasn't able to write in. But yeah, so this is my very first journal, and I can't believe it took me this long. I've been making journals since 2017, and I've made a lot of them, and some I keep and some I give away, and some I make custom journals for babies and things of that sort. I also make journals for people that have loss in their life. I immediately go to working. I do. I got to make them some kind of like a scrap journal put together, and of course not from the composition book, but you know, I've built albums like that before too. So, you know, it feels good in my heart that I can give somebody something in a horrible time in their life, you know. So that's just me, and that's what I do. I'll journal it, and you know, and hope they find peace and look at all of the memories and things of that sort. So, but anyway, I've got to stop talking because my throat, I woke up this morning and I think there was a frog in my throat. I couldn't get it out, but so now my voice is starting to dry and crack up. So, but anyway, I just want to let you guys know that, yeah, this is going to be coming out very soon. And then also, too, what will be coming out soon is, let me get it. I gotta get it. And what I'm working on now is the small square ink storage unit. And this one houses 10. And I'm in the middle of the video for this one right here. And I wanted to do this project a little different. I'm going to talk just a little bit about this. Let me move this out of the way. So, but what I'm going to do this time, sorry for the glare. What I'm going to do this time is I've decided to, so what I'm trying to say is that I would like to give you guys the opportunity to purchase a kit that you will receive from me, the physical items, and then put it together on YouTube. Follow my directions. So I'm working on that, and I think that you guys might like the kit, because what I'm going to wind up doing is not only cutting all the chipboard and then also gluing all of it together. I have decided to put the workbook with the kit. I think that that would be more beneficial to some people. I'm just only talking about somebody that has arthritis really bad, and cutting chipboard, you know, isn't a fun thing to do. I've got it too as well. So, but we just move on, right? We love crafting. It doesn't matter. We'll deal with the pain later. But so anyway, so what this one package? Okay, so through the glare, I'm so sorry. But in your package, you will receive all the pieces cut, alphabetized, and all glued together. So that way you're not doing like a big puzzle trying to get all these pieces put together. I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. And then also too, you will receive the kit on laminated pages. Okay? And when you get it, you can do whatever you want to try and bind them together. And also too, with the digital small square ink storage unit, I also went on ahead and did these for you as well. I went on ahead and cut these out for you. So they're going to be in your pocket on the front, which I opened it up so I could put all these in there for you. So when you get the kit, all you got to do is just, you know, double-sided tape. That's all I do. I put the double-sided tape on this part right here because I found that by tracing these on cardstock, my glue was pulling more and more of the cardstock. So I decided just to put it on my template here that's already laminated. and I just lay it right there. So, and it'll come off, and it doesn't really bother the paper too much. But yeah, so I went on ahead and I cut all those out for you and glued them all together. And like I said, once you receive either the digital and also either the kit, if you prefer, I will be already releasing videos on how to put this together. Okay, so that way you feel confident, is what I want to say, to try and build something like this, and it's already pre-made for you. So yeah, so you have to put your own designer paper on it. I won't supply any designer paper in this packet. All you're going to get is the digital download that I've already printed out for you and everything. And of course, you'll always have access to the digital inside Etsy, just in case something ever happens that you need to get this. So, but anyway, yeah, so I don't know if that was too much rambling. I think it might have been, but I just wanted to give you heads up on what I'm doing right now. So you guys got to let me know what you think. You got to give me some comments. Let me know. Are you excited to get started on something like this? You know, in my Facebook feed, I also have another book, a composition book that I did for a teenager. And you can see it has all kinds, it's totally different from this composition. I mean, it was beautiful. I had beads all over it and tassels and things like that. So I went way out on her little journal for her. So, but yeah, it's getting time to, I guess I better get her a journal again. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what I'm up to. Yes, so, but I hope everybody is doing good. I've got this little cold that just keeps hanging around. But anyway, so, yeah, so I just wanted to say hello, and I hope everybody is doing well. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. Bye.